Alright, so I got a lot of questions. Marcelo, why the fuck are you not making content for YouTube? Marcelo, why the fuck are you not posting good quality content when you say you were gonna post quality content 4 fucking years ago? Marcelo, why are you copying out and still doing a goddamn compilation for fucking content that was shit 4 years ago? Alright, now let me show you some goddamn fucking content. You see this motherfucking baby right here? This is an E-machine. This was made before you were even thought of being fucking made. I do what I did. You see what I did there? This shit not only has vast amounts of fucking buttons. Look at my buttons on this shit. This also can game better than your fucking RGB K50 fucking 69 GXY5 gigahertz, whatever. This pinnacle of gaming back in my day, you know, when I was playing WoW with the boys and we was out here with the guild and we was killing dragons and eggs and shit. This is what, you know. Speaking of mashing buttons, you know, on a hard night of gaming, let's talk about mashing buttons to get Honey. It is a free browser add-on available on Google, Opera, Fox, Safari. It's a browser. It has Honey. All you have to do is when you're checking out on one of these major sites, just click that little orange button. It will scan the entire internet, the entire internet, and then find discount codes for you. As you see right here, you know, I'm just gonna, you know, let's just say like I want some pizza. Honey got them goddamn codes, my G. Got them codes. You want fucking chicken? You want chicken? Honey got it. You want sandwiches? Want sandwiches? Honey has it. You want to buy illegal parts on the internet? Honey has it. Click on the link down below to use my referral code today. Alright, well, you may ask, Marcelo, what the fuck this keyboard supposed to do? It's supposed to resurrect me from the dead once I die? You know, I can press a little button, respawns? No, but let me tell you this. This keyboard, this fucking hunk of plastic. First, it got them Cherry MX switches. Got Cherry MX switches, alright? You wish you fucking can afford goddamn Cherry MX switches. And number two, it actually has the standard WASD American keyboard. The buttons are relatively somewhat easy to get to. Everything is curved. It's not fixated on the block like a K55 button. Everything is at an angle. Smooth, great material. FF keys are way easier to stand out and push more. And overall, like, it has vast amounts of buttons on the top here. You have your sleep, your calculator, your pause and play, fast forward, fucking stop, mute, increase volume, decrease volume. It's crazy. Then you, not only that, you have those fucking essentials for you when you're listening, you fucking jamming to your lo-fi show while contemplating life at 3 a.m. in the goddamn night and crying to yourself because you, yes fucking you, are a teenager. Alright, going back to it. So you have the internet key, the email key, search, backward, forward, favorite. I haven't tested any of these keys to see if this still works because this was found within the depths of my grandmother's house. Abuelita, if you see this, love you. But besides that, no, this, I haven't tested any of the keys to see if any works. I'm going to do a test run on my computer to see if any of the functionality still works on that. Though, you have your cut, copy, and paste on the sides. Not, you know, that saves, I guess, a couple more seconds. None of these are macro keys. Sadly, macro keys wasn't made in the fucking 2000s, or at least not this one. This does have no macro keys. Alright, but first off, if you even want to fucking think about using this goddamn fucking behemoth of a keyboard, you have to actually take into consider the fact that this is a PS-2 plug. If you don't know what this is actually a plug that sometimes your motherboard will have. Not sure all of them do, but basically you put this in where the purple would be. You don't plug where the green is. If you see green, that's for mouses. And yeah, if you've seen this, you can say that you're a boomer because no one uses this anymore. Everything's all run through USB. But yeah, if your motherboard supports a PS-2 plug, you can just pop it in there. Also, key note: if you're using anything with P-2 plugs, it seems that it doesn't work like a USB where you would plug it in and it should automatically start running. You would have to actually plug it in before the computer is booted up. You will boot into your computer with the P-2 plug in there beforehand.
Alright, so what's good? Basically what's going on right now is I'm testing out the keyboard's functionalities. We're gonna see if each of these things work, and I'm recording them as we speak, so you guys will be able to see what if any of this works. So we have our, what's it called, sleep. I don't know what sleep. Oh, I accidentally just put the whole computer to sleep. Alright, I put the whole computer to sleep. So at least, so now I know what sleep actually does. It turns off the whole computer. So that's it, very interesting. So I just activated calculator, you know, it's just mathematics, you know. That's what, 2 plus 2, no, 2 plus 3, no, fuck. I messed it in. 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 3 minus 1, that's 4. Quick maths. I don't know, I don't know, the joke there wasn't that strong. Alright, pause play, that works. Skipping, crumbling, that's a good song. Yeah, mute, we can mute it, increase it, decrease it. We have, all that works. We have internet opens up our Chrome, so that works as well. Email opens up our email, so I think that works as well. Search opens up our search. I don't know what backward and forward does. It's probably for when, you know, backward, forward, and favorite is for key pages. So let's look up the internets, and then we can go forward or backward if we so desire, and or favorite. So that, you know, works out as well. I think that's all the buttons. I mean, everything else works. Scroll, lock, pause, break, all that. Everything works here. Don't gotta worry about that. And so now we're gonna go into the gaming test section, the portion of where I game, to figure out if everything, you know, if this is truly peak performance of gaming. So for our test marker, benchmarker for this bit here, we're gonna be actually playing Ink, and we're gonna see, you know, within the first 10 levels if we can pass every single one of them very fast. Alright, I've been playing this game for a little bit. Alright, let's go. A little bit laggy, but you know, we still got this, Oh, fuck, we died. Fuck. Look at that response time. Alright, so overall this feels a little bit clunky. Definitely this right here, this thing, it elevates your hand. So I mean, it kind of does not feel good after, you know, hours of gaming. Definitely Corsairs make some really good hands rest, because you know this is you know, when you're gonna be see, look at that the delay. I couldn't flick on the keyboard because the delay was just not that great. So not that. Oh, that's cake. Oh, now got some enemies. Alright, got some enemies. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's writing beautiful. Alright, so pretty much overall, my palm is starting to hurt already because of this clunky ass hand rest, and the keys are you know, a little bit meh. They're not that great, but they get the job done. It's a little bit of delay time, and sometimes when you're trying to go back, trying to switch between the keys, the input, there's definitely a slight input delay. But overall, man, I give this keyboard like a 9 out of 10. It's just, if you have one, just pop it. It's a more of a utility keyboard than anything else. If you just want a utility keyboard, I wouldn't recommend this for gaming, but for utility, 9 out of 10. If gaming, it's like a 5 out of 10. So this is from the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm on Usex, and see you till the next one. Goodbye.